Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, I am doing a nail supply haul. Also, excuse my nails, they're due for a new set. So yeah, let's get right into it. So before I start sharing you everything, I was gonna do like half of this video like this, and then the other half completely different because I have more stuff coming in, but I think the rest of that stuff is all from the same brand, so I think I'm just gonna make that video separate. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything I have here because I really want to use this stuff to do my new set and maybe some other new stuff, I'm not sure, but let's get right into it. So the first thing I got was from Amazon, and it's this like marble jade gel thing. You basically could put your gel here and mix them like when you're doing nail art or whatever, and I thought that was pretty cool, and I feel like everyone has these, so why not? In this envelope I have I think 30 or 50 nail glues. I use these for my press-ons. I will put a glue and a nail file in along with the set of nails. So yeah, I think this is a set of 50. So that is all I have in there. It's just nail glue. So next is this little envelope here. So I have finally run out of my nail files, so I needed more. So I got this little set from Amazon, and it comes in this little box, and it's a 15-piece set. I think it comes with 2, 4, 6. It comes with 10 of these. It comes with 10 of these round files, and then 3 of these. I'll take it out the box. And then I think like 2 buffer blocks. So it comes with 10 of these. It says that it's washable and disinfectable. These are 100, 180 grits. So it comes with 10 of those. It comes with 2 buffer blocks, so those are useful. And then it comes with 3 of these, which are also 100, 180 grit files. They're just shaped a little bit differently. I don't think I've ever used a nail file this shape, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to keep the nail files in here for now. And then once I have a different spot, I think I'm going to put my nail brushes in here. Or maybe I'll just keep my nail files in here. And then I'm going to put these in my backup drawer because I currently have a buffer block that I'm using that is pretty brand new. So this right here is from Not Polish. And I feel like everyone's been raving about them lately. So I was like, why not try some of their acrylics? I probably should have got their top coat because I hear a lot of good things about that as well. So this is how it came packaged. I just got 2 acrylics. So this is what the packaging looks like. I will be inserting swatches, so it'll be a different view so you can get a better look at the packaging and everything. So these are 2-in-1 powders. You can use them as dipping powders or as regular acrylic. So I have the shade Milky White, which just looks like that. So I didn't get to film the swatches live because I was out of frame, but here is just a picture of what all acrylics look like swatched. And then I got the shade In My Feeling. I feel like there should be an S in there, but whatever. So it's like a hot pink fuchsia type of color. And I really just want to start working on doing nails with acrylic. I feel like your shape stays a little more sharp when you use just acrylic. That is just my opinion, so don't take that too hard. So in this bag I have a few things from Nail Supply Glamour. So I ordered a new acrylic brush. This is their number 12 Glamour 100% Kolinsky nail brush, and it has a marble handle. It comes in a nice little tube. I think the brush that I'm using now is either a size 8 or 10 from Alpha Brush, so I was like, why not practice with a size or 2 up? And this is what the brush looks like. I like the marble handle, it's pretty cute, and it is pinched right there, but I do have to break it in because it is pretty stiff right now, so I will do that later. And then in this little thing, I got a few other things. So I wanted to try the Glam and Glitz acrylic powders as well. So this one is in the shade Joyce, which looks like it's a sky blue, but it kind of looks iridescent. So I'm hoping that it isn't, because I really just want it like a blue, baby blue type of shade, which this doesn't look like at all. But yeah, again, that's the shade Joyce. So I've also been wanting to get into ombreing with acrylic, so I needed the perfect ombre shade. So I saw a few swatches on YouTube and I decided to go with the Mia Secret Cover Nude Blush Acrylic Powder. And these are both 1 ounce jars, which are quite small. The not polished jars are 2 ounces, so you can definitely see the difference. But I figured for trying purposes, 1 ounce jars are perfectly fine. And that is what that one looks like. And then lastly, from Nail Supply Glamour, I have, I believe this is the Mia Secret Nail Activator Spray thing. So this is the Mia Secret Nail Gel Resin Activator, and I got this because this works with the Zulay Blings adhesive, which sometimes it could take a little while to dry, like a few seconds or so, and I actually just want the nail glue to dry when I'm done placing my bling. So I got this so I can have that dry ASAP. And that is everything that was in here. So last but not least is this box right here. And I thought it was about time for me to purchase this. So I got the nail training practice hand thing, you know, the one that almost everyone on YouTube has. I currently do practice on my niece and my mom and sometimes my sister, but I feel like if I want to get better, I need to practice a lot more. So I figured this would help a lot. So I definitely can't wait to break this open and start practicing my acrylic and stuff. So that is everything that I got for this nail haul. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought, or if you have any of this stuff and what you guys think about it. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. I'd love to have you join the Rose family. And yes, there is a video coming up about the 500 subscriber giveaway, so please stay tuned for that. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!